let's say for our example right now, so the characteristic length for the pipe, it can be the length of pipe, it can be radius, it can be diameter, right? So we can have three different characteristic length. But what we're going to use the characteristic length for this problem when we want to define the Reynolds number is the diameter of the pipe. So this one will be the characteristic length. So D is LC will be the characteristic length. For the pipe flow. So what does it mean by characteristic? So just give you a very simple example. Let's say siapa tadi Izaja. So how you can know about Izaja? Maybe for let's say dia rendah, right? So that is the characteristic of her. Dia kulit apa ni, kulit dia macam kulit saya. Macam saya punya kulit ni kan, hitam legam. Itu ciri-ciri Izaja, right? Jari dia macam jari saya ni, bertulang banyak kan, panjang-panjang. Itu Izaja punya karakteristik. So when we look at this problem, we know that this is unique for that particular problem. So if tengok tangan saya macam ni, ini macam tangan Izaja. Faham? Okey, biasanya orang diam tu faham lah. Let's say we have rectangular pipe or we have a triangular shaped pipe. So the Reynolds number that cause the fluid to lamina will be different. Here I define the Reynolds number based on diameter. Here I'm using the symbol pi there, phi, right? Phi, Greek letters, and then I'm using a subscript DH. DH is called hydraulic diameter, right? So I'm going to write a new note here about the hydraulic diameters. D is only applied for flow inside a pipe. DH. So what is the definition of DH? For AC Izzat, I think it's for AC, right? So for AC, for A. Thank you, Izzat. So for AC divided by parameter. So you can find the if you Google it, right? Let's say let me Google it, the hydraulic diameters. So we go to the images. Let me share with you the screen. Right, so you just go for the images. Now I don't use all menus there. I just use the definition of hydraulic diameter DH will be for A by 4, and then we can have a different geometry there, right? A square duct and rectangular duct and so on. So that will be the definition is for AC. If that is the definition, so we have this one is D by 4, and then that will be the ni apa ni our, so I just put here 4 time 4, so we have A there, right?